Beautiful.
How you doing?
No complaint.
Cars?
Just renting a car. Then we're off to the Hoover Dam.
Oh, Hoover Dam.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
We're only here for a couple days, so we gotta pack everything in, right?
Is this normal weather for Las Vegas?
Yeah.
January?
This is a little bit colder.
This is not cold. We go to the beach in this weather. A lot of my friends are saying, I can't believe you're going to Las Vegas in January. Poor guy. You know,
Why?
storm and weather.
Who said that?
My friends are back
Never.
in Canada.
Vegas never have storm.
This is unbelievable. Driving around like this, it makes being an Uber driver a lot of fun.
You think it's a lot of fun?
Well,
I've heard stories. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's what you think. What's the wonderful comedy?
Enterprise.
Enterprise?
Yeah. There it is. Fantastic.
Oh! You gotta cross the fence.
That's all right.
Go there.
It's all good.
Alright.
Well, thank you very much, man. You didn't know that?
I get a question, by the way.
What's that?
I noticed you're holding that.
Yeah. Jess for rental car. That's something, eh? Hello.
finally.
Good reservation? Where's your license?
I'm disappointed I didn't mess up. I've been at it, but
What happened there?
I lost my nippyism. Let's just say to the right,
Left.
to the right, to the right,
Escalator.
up the escalator.
Up the escalator. See that? Because you were nice. What did you get? Time changed. I know it's not much. It is frustrating.
Is that flashing still? It's going red now.
Yeah, because it's recording.
Oh,
That's all. No Farmer Jack. No Farmer Jack. Supermarket for cars, he says. Good, how are you? Enterprise, though. We're Enterprise. That's not Enterprise. I kept saying over and over again. I kept saying over and over again. Thank you. Okay, I'm here.
for the BlackBerry?
I don't know, did you brought it?
Hope so. No.
Alright. So back to the hotel.
No.
Buy one.
75 cents. 75%.
You want to buy one there? Wait. Driving is hard. Just don't bleed these people. The people should be happy.
How are you?
I'm happy. How are you?
All right, pretty good.
Well,
What did it say? Turn left?
Turn right. So you're gonna go curve,
Yeah.
and then you're gonna turn left. This street.
Turn left here.
No, this street. Okay. You can only turn right here.
But we can't turn left here.
Yes, you can. Look, that guy's turning left.
What are we doing here then?
I don't know. I told you to turn left.
We can do this.
He's laughing. There we go. We'll just find a way to turn around. Yeah. Nothing major.
In 300 meters, turn right.
Oh, sorry.
App Store or call 844-711.
I have to get it back.
In 300 meters, turn left. Turn left to I-215 east.
That's you.
Continue straight for 8 minutes to exit 1, I-11, I-515, US 93, US 95, Boulder City.
How long?
8 minutes.
Wow. I was gonna just pull over now. Guess not.
Goodness. That's not where to be.
In 1.5 kilometers, exit right to exit 1, I-11, I-515,
All right.
US 93, US 95, Boulder City.
Gotta get over.
Then stay to the right.
This is it?
Yep.
Exit right to exit 1, I-11, I-515, US 93, US 95, Boulder City. Then stay to the right to I-11 South, US 93 South, US 95 South, Boulder City. Stay to the right to I-11 South, US 93 South, US 95 South, Boulder City.
Cynthia, you're too pushy.
Continue straight for 15 minutes to exit 2, US 93 Business, Boulder City.
All right.
It's sort of bleak looking when you get out of the city.
Yeah.
Jeez.
I can't believe this song came on and I'm driving. So often the song come on, I'm stuck in traffic or the traffic jam.
Yeah.
It's my favorite driving song that I never drive to. Because always something slowing me down.
Oh.
13 miles.
Wow. You're doing good.
Yeah. The driver was videotaping his phone. Or maybe it's on a video call. Either way, he had his hand stretched out with the camera like this, the phone like this.
Now we're getting close because there's a tourist helicopter.
Yeah.
Had to slip one in there.
Yeah.
Eastbound.
Yep. Hey, short time to get there. That's what we want. Exit 2.
In 1.5 kilometers, exit right to exit 2, US 93 Business, Boulder City. Exit right to exit 2, US 93 Business, Boulder City. In 300 meters, at the roundabout, turn left, then turn right. At the roundabout, turn left, then turn right on Nevada 172.
Certainly don't want to go back on.
Yeah. Come all this way, go back to the freeway. Yeah, this is it. And then it's a turn right.
Turn right.
Yeah.
Turn right on Nevada 172.
Where's 172?
We'll be on it shortly. This should be it.
So we should be able to see. Oh yeah, I did my Google walk on this.
4 kilometers.
Oh yeah?
It's on the right hand
Arrive at
side.
Hoover Dam. Your destination will be on your right.
lot of it, how long it took and what the cost was to build this dam. Lives and families moving here, and
Oh yeah.
that could be the road we take. Look at all the people up there. That's the road we take probably that goes to Grand Canyon.
Possibly.